Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss the best time to post on TikTok on Thursday. So there is no specific best time to post on TikTok, no matter what the day of the week it is. What matters is that TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, and that means that TikTok shows the content to users based on their interests and behavior, and also what works for one creator, it doesn't imply that it will work for another, for example for you. So I highly recommend you to go to our channel and find the video how to analyze TikTok analytics, and this is the video where I show how to launch your business account and how to basically access the analytics tool, because now I will show you the very interesting and useful thing regarding connected with this analytics tool. So in the top right corner of your screen you see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu, that's what we need, and then go to TikTok Studio, open all view all analytics, and then at the top of the screen you should select viewers, and here if you scroll down to the very end you will see section most active times, and this is basically when your viewers are most active. You can see here on the graph, and this will be the real best time for you when you want to post. And also try to be consistent with posting, so 3 to 5 times per week will be perfect. And also experiment with timing and adjust based on what gets the most engagement. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.